Hi, and welcome to 115 Glenridge Avenue, located in downtown Los Gatos.
This meticulously restored 1911 Craftsman is a quality period home set on one of the most iconic and prestigious locations in all of Los Gatos.
You'll enjoy over 4,000 square feet of living space and a beautiful 17,000 square foot lot with award-winning gardens. The historic residence blends timeless architecture with an incredible downtown location, just moments from Los Gatos shopping and dining district, scenic trails, and top Los Gatos schools. Enjoy the tour. From the classic architecture to the beautifully curated gardens, 115 Glenridge Avenue is an opportunity to own a true piece of Los Gatos history.
This remarkable property, set in such an exceptional location just steps from downtown, seldom comes to market. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to scheduling a private tour with you.
Until next time.